What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and as you guys can see, we got a drop here from Drone Drop. I believe this is the December drop from Drone Drop. Now, in case you guys don't know what Drone Drop is basically a subscription service where you can have these drone drops delivered to you every month. And I think it's about 35 bucks for one of these drone drops. And they're supposed to be a really good value because you're going to be getting more than $35 worth of merchandise in here. These are mainly for those who have race drones, and from what I understand, you get parts and accessories all equaling up to more than what you're paying for the subscription. So let's crack this one open and see what we get in the box. We got the Blue Alien on deck. Okay, so right off, we have this from Drone Drop. This is a F4 AIO, it says, all in one. F4, a Beck PDB board, and OSD. All in. That's not really an all-in-one, but it's a F4 flight controller. Let's get it open and see what it looks like. So we get an XT60 here with it. Also, we get, these are standoffs. We got some standoffs for it. This is the F4 board here. So pretty nice looking F4 board. There's a power distribution board in here as well. There's a Beck on here for power regulation. It says input 3 to 6S. So this thing will support a 6S power input. So that's pretty nice. Let's see what else we got. Got something from Team Black Sheep here. And there, it's 9 pieces of soft mount. So let's look at the soft mounts in here. Just open. Okay, so these are the nice rubberized ones. You just peel this off. So this is basically sticky on one side, and you just peel these off and you stick them onto the frame that you're trying to mount the motor to. And so pretty nice soft mounts from Team Black Sheep. Okay, so we got 50/50 Cyclones. These are the dual bladed props here. So we got some more in here, some green ones as well. We have some battery straps from Team Black Sheep. And this, I think this is, so it says hybrid triple feed patch 1. And I think this is, let's get it open. So I think this is a pagoda, a type of pagoda antenna, and it looks like, let's see. So it comes with this attachment here. Okay, so this is, I think, both right side and left side polarized. And so you just hook this up to whichever side you want to go with. Right side or left side polarized antenna. So that's pretty awesome. They gave us that. And we get a hat from Pyrodrone. So we got a Scully hat from Pyrodrone. And we have some stickers from Team Black Sheep. I think I'm going to be rocking this. It's freezing down here in Philly, guys. It's cold. I'm going to be rocking this outside while I'm braving the weather to get you guys some drone footage. And so pretty neat. I think that this is definitely worth it. So it's our first drone drop. Really nice care package here. Thanks for watching.